Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4 and thank you again for tuning in this video. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do off-road, overlanding stuff, camping, and gear review, all of it. Our website, www.inca4x4.com, has all sorts of information on off-roading, overlanding, and then our store, incaoverlandoutfitters.com, has gazelle tents, lighting, all sorts of products you need. And then the video this week is a introduction into our newest line, the Jeep 4-door Hardtop Campers, and then coming soon in January, the truck bed topper campers. So it's like a cap that you put in, that you climb in through the truck bed and you camp in. You've seen my truck before. It had something similar, and now I'm excited to be offering it to everyone. So thank you again for watching, and watch this video to see this setup, and more information will come on the website www.inca4x4.com. So let's get right to it and let me walk you around. So I'm gonna pick you up right here, and this is
Here's the plot synopsis.
the new, well, not new, but 2018 Jeep Rubicon. It's my wife's. It's got like 90,000 miles. It had a custom rack and custom bumper. We have a new bumper coming for it. It had some accessories that I wasn't too much fan of, but this is a topper. So if you see the Jeep now, and if you didn't really look at it too much, you couldn't tell that it's, I'll show you, this topper is actually a camper. And you walk in through the sides and you climb up in. So I'm gonna set you on my Jeep Gladiator here to show you how I do this. Basically, there's these latches on each side and on the rear. You open up the back door here and you undo these latches. You turn them to the side and it unclips. And then you just pop up. It's got a bungee to keep all the fabric tucked together. Then you want to let some air into it, so that way it doesn't create like a vacuum. But I want to show you guys this. I'm super excited about it because it's just a game changer. So the hardtop is the camper, and you have a sky view. It's fiberglass. It comes with the awning brackets, and all of it's going to be finalized for the one I sell. But what I like about it, it's super heavy duty, like ripstop fabric. And then not only that, it's got an exterior one, it's got the mesh, and then it's got another rain fly. And all of it is really easy to remove in case you need to fix anything. So I always like that you're able to repair stuff. So I'm gonna come in through the door here and just show you real quick what it's like. So this is my wife's Jeep, so you could see the baby seat, but you basically push open through here. There's gas struts on both sides, and I'm going to show you this. It's super cool. You see the gas struts? You climb up in here and boom, you have a workstation. You can, do whatever it is you need. And this is what I was talking about, the canvas that rolls away, and you can zip it up, and it creates just almost like a tri-layer, so it's like really insulated. There's carpet here, and then look at this. Look how cool this is. That's the sky right there. So yeah, if you need to run wires, you can run wires. There's pockets here. You know, I'll just put this in the corner here and just kind of show you what it's like. So if I hop up, I'm in here, you know. I could change standing up. I can cook. I can access stuff in my Jeep. So this is just so freaking awesome to me. And I'm excited to be offering it to you guys here in Atlanta, and also like shipping it. So all of that's going to come together. All the final details I'll have, but just to show you, it bolts right into your normal Jeep, and the hardtop comes all the way to the front. And I'll show you, you don't have to worry about like water or anything, because this here bevels up, and there's a little weather stripping that runs the water side to the side. So I'm really excited about this. I think it's really an amazing product, and if you're like me and just like to get to camp, like to get up and go, this is going to be awesome, because you will be able to just keep everything contained, and it's just awesome. It comes really well packaged, wood crated with padding and everything, so you don't have to worry about it coming damaged. It's going to come in really, really nice. And I'll just set you down in here and kind of talk to you for a second about it. So all the pricing is not finalized, and all the features are not finalized. So I invite you to go over to my website, www.inca4x4.com, and subscribe to get further detail. But I'm aiming between around a $8,500 price point for this. So if you consider getting the price of the hardtop, getting the price of a rack, getting the price of a rooftop tent, you know, having all that weight up there, this is so much stealthier. So thank you again for joining me on this one. Consider subscribing. We have the Jeep camper. I'll show you the Jeep Gladiator here. Is going to have its Inca 4x4 camper topper. We're going to do the Gladiator, and we're going to do a Tacoma, so you could see both. And then I'll also offer it for the full-size trucks and everything. But it's a camper. You walk in through the side, you sleep up top, and you have Molly panel doors. It's just got so many features. I'm really excited for that. And then we have a new line of rooftop tents that are coming out. So I thank you again.